Then give it a try. This time still. Knowledge. Character. Draft. A question type. In a small. Square. Draw a straight line. Maid. Shoulder wheel. Profile. Face realization. Hair. Yes, sex. Love face. Department. The dog draws the hairstyle of Casimir. 2 bunches on the top of the head. Hair play to the left. Dog. Female grape. Is the structural outline. Add shadow. Wire. Foy. Neck. Terrier and collar. Hair hook pen. Next, draw the maid. Features of the equipment. Structure. Hook. Draw invincible. Off ratio. Wire. Eyebrows hidden. Shape. Include. Number. Shape. Eye. Beads. And the internal small. Detail. Hook. Draw the mouth shape. Shape. Plasticine. Rolling is rubbing shallow. Change. Upper hook pen. Hook. Win the line. Find the most important lines. Equivalent to the second revision. According to your feeling. Mouth. Draw a suitable. The smooth lines of the painting. It is best if no lines can be drawn in one stroke. I highlight flow. Out. The little mouth is done. Your paratrooper baby sketch line is here. The hair is first deepened with soft carbon wire. Then use a medium carbon pencil to draw the lines. The highlight of the hair on the forehead flows out directly. Then start arranging the lines. The shadow and highlight positions of the headdress also flow out. Use soft carbon pencil. Sweep the hair. Then arrange the clothes in a straight line. Darken intensity to eliminate the darkest shadows. Replace with medium carbon straight line exhaust shadow. Then replace it with hard carbon exhaust to get the lightest shadow effect. Bring out the eyebrows. Deepen the eyeline. Add details and lines to the eyeballs. Follow the same steps for the right eye. Eyeballs first deepen the intensity. Even if you reduce the intensity, it will still be eliminated. Then draw lines to soften the area around the eyeballs. Hair and face shadow effects. Gently arrange the ear position. Short line on nose bridge. The straight line shadow at the neck is complete.
Bell notification, subscribe.